E-money finally take full responsibility of our brother Gino Pope children, late Gino Pope children. Remember say E-money talk say im go take care of the children. Finally E-money don come outside come show us for this video talk say im fully wetin im talk im wan do am, but social media must talk. Yes, social media dem must talk. Anything wey you like make you do, social media dem must talk. And what are the social media saying this time? Some of them don come outside come talk say dem talk am. Wetin una talk? E easy to take care of another person pikin? E no easy. Even your own children sef, e no easy. But this our brother wey dem dey call E-money come outside take full responsibility of these children. My brother, if you say you go fit do am, go do am. Make una stop gossip. I hate gossip. If you say it's easy to take care of another person pikin, go come outside come talk am. And im dey do am. He don come outside, he don dey do am. Dey show us say see am, he is doing it and im go do am. So I want you to enjoy the video before we come back and continue.
Guys, billionaire E-money has started fulfilling his fatherly duty to late Junior Pope family. Guys, take a look at this video. Remember during Junior Pope burial, E-money made a promise to take the full responsibility of Junior Pope's wife and the full family. In fact, to be a fatherly figure, be a father figure and play a father duty and responsibility to them. Today, it has all started. As billionaire E-money spent his summer vacation with Junior Pope family and his family all together like one family. Guys, take a look at this video. I showed you. Don't forget to share. They are coming. They are coming. That's E-money there. That's E-money. They share this video. That's your first last child. Second child. And the fourth. Oh, they are so fresh. They are so fresh and big. They're not really sure that father don't fight self. May God bless you, money. Such a good training. Kai. Oh, they are swimming already. See the money house. They're like a 5-star hotel. Very good. Forget. Very good. Your phone today can see 3 plays. Kids are having fun, Darren. You see, deaths. Just look at the happy, beautiful children God blessed Junior Pope with. He left them as well. God knows why. May he so rest in peace. Anyway, we commend E-money for fulfilling his duty. Guys, if you take a look at this video, you go know say this is not the first time. Like he has been there, he has been that father figure. That father has taken up that responsibility as he promised on his burial. Because we have seen even a couple of days before all this that Junior Pope and E-money shares a very strong bond. Their brotherly bond and their friendship bond is so strong. And it can't break. It can't break. Even to the past, we've heard that E-money has given Junior Pope, in fact, the current car he was driving before he died, now E-money gave him that car, the car gives, like that big car. So their friendship started for a very long time, like from brotherly to sister to friendship and all of that. We commend your E-money for fulfilling his promise. There are a lot of people who will make that, in a circumstances like that or in an incident like that, celebrities, politicians, top people will come and make promises. I will do this and do that, but fulfilling it is the problem. Yes, not making a promises, but the fulfilling it. I'm happy to see that E-money has been there. E-money has been taking the responsibility, has fulfilled his responsibility. If you watch this video well in a layman's understanding, if you think deep, you go know say this is not the first time. It's just that this one made its way to social media. If you see how those kids interact with him.
So guys, the video that you just watched is E-Money. He promised that he's going to take care of Junior Pope children. He let Junior Pope, after Junior Pope children, he say he go take care of the children. And this is our brother is doing the work. But a lot of people when they come outside, they talk one kind thing one another understand. They talk and say, he know this one, he know the other one, he know this one. You no go hear am from my mouth o. All the whole thing wey they talk, you no go hear am from my mouth. Wetin I wan just tell you be say, him don dey take care of the children. Na wetin talk, and he don dey do am. So share the video.